Believe it or not, sharks have been swimming in our oceans much longer than trees have been standing on our lands. Yes, you heard that right. These magnificent predators, often feared and misunderstood, hold a deeper history than the towering giants of our forests. The very first sharks appeared on our planet around 400 million years ago. That's a staggering 200 million years before the first tree took root. This might seem unbelievable, but the fossil records don't lie. They tell us tales of a time when sharks ruled the seas, long before trees began to dominate the land. Their journey through time is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, traits that have allowed them to survive multiple mass extinctions and thrive in diverse environments. Sharks have indeed been around longer than trees. Now let's dive into the deep past to understand this better. The story of sharks begins more than 400 million years ago. It's quite a mouthful, isn't it? But let's dive into the deep past, when the first shark-like fish began to cruise the ancient oceans. This was during the Silurian period, a time when life was blossoming in the seas but the land was mostly barren. The first sharks, or rather their ancient relatives, weren't the sleek, powerful predators we know today. They were smaller, and their bodies were covered in bony plates rather than the flexible cartilage that forms the skeleton of modern sharks. Some of them, like the Cladocelache, which is one of the earliest known shark species, even had eel-like bodies and large fins for gliding through the water. But don't be fooled by their humble beginnings. These early sharks were pioneers in their own right. Their jaws, evolved from the gill arches of their fishy ancestors, gave them an edge over their competitors. With these jaws they could seize their prey rather than just sucking it in, paving the way for the diverse feeding strategies we see in sharks today. As the eons passed, sharks began to change, adapting to the shifting seas around them. Their bodies became more streamlined, their jaws stronger, their teeth sharper. They developed keen senses to detect even the faintest electrical signals from their prey. In short, they were becoming the ultimate predators. Yet they were also incredibly diverse. Some species remained small, while others, like the megalodon, grew to lengths of up to 60 feet. That's about the length of a bowling alley. Now that's a shark you wouldn't want to bump into on a late-night swim. But despite their fearsome reputation, these ancient sharks were also survivors, enduring changing climates, shifting continents, and even mass extinctions that wiped out many other forms of life. From these ancient beginnings, sharks embarked on an evolutionary journey that would last hundreds of millions of years. A journey that has led to the more than 500 species of sharks we know today, each uniquely adapted to its niche in the ocean's vast ecosystem. But that, my friends, is a story for another time. Sharks are not just old, they are survivors. These creatures have weathered the storm of Earth's history, displaying an uncanny ability to adapt and persevere. They've lived through multiple mass extinction events, proving their resilience time and time again. Imagine, if you will, the world as it was 400 million years ago. From the Silurian period to the present day, the Earth has undergone dramatic shifts. Continents have collided and separated, ice ages have come and gone, the atmosphere has changed and with it, the climate. Yet, through all this upheaval, one constant remains: the presence of sharks in our oceans. Let's take a trip back to one of the most well-known mass extinctions, the one that famously wiped out the dinosaurs around 66 million years ago. A catastrophic event that snuffed out about 75% of all species on Earth, yet the sharks, they survived. But how? It's their amazing adaptability and resilience that set them apart. Sharks have evolved to endure a variety of environments and conditions. From the shallowest of waters to the deepest, darkest abysses, sharks have made their home. Think about the diverse species of sharks that have existed over the ages. From the giant megalodon, reaching lengths of up to 60 feet, to the tiny dwarf lantern shark, barely reaching lengths of 8 inches. Each one, a testament to the shark's ability to adapt and survive in different environments. And it's not just physical adaptations that have allowed sharks to persist. They've developed complex behaviors too, like migrating vast distances to find food or to breed, further increasing their chances of survival. In a world where change is the only constant, sharks have been a constant presence, adapting and evolving to survive whatever Mother Nature throws their way. Their survival story is nothing short of miraculous, a testament to the power of evolution and the resilience of life itself. While many species vanished from the face of the Earth, sharks continued to swim in its oceans. Their story is a fascinating reminder of the incredible adaptability and resilience of nature. It's a tale that begs the question, what can we learn from these survivors of extinction? So, where do trees fit into this story, you may wonder? Well, it's a fascinating tale of evolution and survival, just like our shark friends. The first trees sprouted on Earth around 385 million years ago, a good 15 to 20 million years after the first sharks began to patrol the oceans. These early trees, primitive by our standards, were the beginning of a radical transformation that would eventually turn barren landscapes into lush forests. Trees, as we know, play a crucial role in our planet's health, acting as the lungs of the Earth. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making life as we know it possible. They also provide habitats for countless species, contribute to the water cycle, and help prevent soil erosion. In short, they've had a profound impact on terrestrial ecosystems. Now let's dive back into the ocean. Sharks, in their own way, have been just as influential. They're apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain. Their presence controls the population of other marine creatures, maintaining a balance that's vital for the health of oceanic ecosystems. They've been doing this job for over 400 million years, shaping the oceanic world as we know it today. So while trees were busy turning carbon dioxide into oxygen and giving squirrels a place to live, sharks were maintaining order under the sea. They were ensuring that no species became too dominant, allowing for a diverse and healthy marine life to thrive. It's a different kind of environmental impact, but one that's equally important. And here's a thought to ponder. Both trees and sharks have survived multiple mass extinction events, proving their resilience and adaptability. They've weathered the trials of time, evolving and adjusting to the changing Earth. It's a testament to the incredible journey of life on our planet. So, in this tale of sharks versus trees, who wins? Well, it's not really a competition. Each plays a vital role in their respective domains. Trees may have transformed our land, but sharks have reigned in the oceans. Sharks have evolved, but they've also remarkably stayed the same. Over the span of more than 400 million years, they've grown, adapted, and diversified. Yet, they've managed to retain a suite of features that have served them well throughout their expansive history. From the sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies designed for efficient swimming, to the rows of replaceable teeth, modern sharks have a lot in common with their ancient predecessors. However, it's not all a static picture. Some species have developed unique traits to suit their environment. Take the hammerhead shark, for instance, with its peculiar head shape enhancing its sensory perception, or the deep-sea dwelling goblin shark, with its protruding jaws that spring forward to snatch prey. Despite these variations, the core blueprint of what makes a shark, well, a shark, has remained largely unchanged. Sharks today are a testament to their ancient lineage, a lineage that has survived and thrived through Earth's dynamic history. As we stand here today, sharks continue their incredible journey. This journey, spanning over 400 million years, is a testament to their remarkable resilience. From surviving mass extinctions to adapting to the ever-changing oceans, these magnificent creatures have proven time and again their ability to endure. Yet in the face of modern threats such as overfishing and habitat destruction, their future hangs in the balance. Conservation is not just about saving sharks, it's about preserving the health of our oceans. As apex predators, sharks play a crucial role in maintaining balance in oceanic ecosystems, a balance that is vital for our planet's well-being. Despite their fearsome reputation, sharks are more threatened by humans than we are by them. Their survival story is intertwined with ours. The story of sharks is a story of resilience, adaptability, and survival. It's a story that continues to unfold and one that we're a part of, so what part will you play?